Hi, I'm Arash, and this is our 8th lesson on Sketcher. If you haven't liked our channel, if you haven't liked our video, or didn't subscribe to our channel, or haven't you been made a comment yet, please do. That will really help me and motivates me to make more effective and comprehensive videos for you. So we learn all about this toolbar, which is profile toolbar, and we're going to learn more about the other features here. So there is a constraint which we learned at I think, our third lesson, but there are also other features here, maybe which may be really useful. One of them is this one that is not on for now, and it's off, and we cannot use it right now. But you have to select something. For example, I want to make this circle and this rectangle. I want to specify the dimension of them, but I don't want to make the location for them. I want to just adjust their locations. So if I select that, if I select something, this will turn on. If I click that, there are many constraints which are here, and I can choose them. Distance, fixed, uh, concentricity, and tangency. All over here, there are many constraints. One of the most useful of them is using fix. I can select this point and select fix. Fix is useful for everything, like fixing this whole circle. If I click OK, it will be fixed. Quite simple. It will apply to every kind of shapes. If I want to make a tangent constraint between these two, I select this and I hold Control and I select this line, and here I choose tangency. The tangency constraint will apply, and now these two are tangents, this line and this circle. If I want to make a tangent with this line too, I can select this and use Control and select this one, choose tangent, and we can see that these two are stick together. If I delete them, I can choose that this point at the center of this will be coincidence with this point. I choose this point, Control, choose this point too, and choose coincidence. These two will be coincidence together. I can select Control Z or select this constraint right here and delete it to make that constraint free. I can uh, I can also choose this circle and choose this point and choose concentricity, and this will do the same with our previous uh, constraint. But the constraint is different. You see that in the last one, there was a circle, an empty circle, and this is full circle. I can delete that. And if I have another circle here, no tangent, I don't want it to be tangent. If I want these two to be concentricity together, I select these two and select concentricity. These two will always remain concentric. There are also other features like parallelism. If I choose to delete these two, and now these two are not parallel, if I choose these two line and select parallelism, these two will be parallel, but still not fixed. I can choose these two lines to be perpendicular. I can also choose this line, this solo line, and choose it to be vertical or horizontal. There are a lot of things to do with these constraints, and most of them can be impossible using this constraint too. And that is conclude to our tutorial for now.